Good morning, students. 8th Science. Now we are going to study about the microorganism. We already study about bacteria and virus, and then yeast. Now we are going to study about alga. All of you take down the page number 74. All of you take the page number 74 and take the pencil also. Underline the important words. First we are going to study about alga. Alga are very simple plant like eukaryotic organism. Eukaryotic means multicellular. Prokaryotic means single cell. Amoeba, paramecium, that's all. Alga is a eukaryotic cell. It's having the many cells. Alga are found in the moist condition. Alga are rich in chlorophyll. They can thin film on the surface of the lake and pond. So they are called the grass of water. Underline the word grass of water. அப்படி அந்த ஆல்கா வந்து அதில் எப்படி இருக்கும், அந்த குளத்துக்கு மேலே அப்படி பரவி இருக்கும். அதனால தான் அதுக்கு பேர் கிராஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர்னு சொல்கிறது. இந்த தெப்பக்குளம்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, நயினார் குளம் டவுனில், அந்த இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோன்னா அந்த இதில் தண்ணியே தெரியாது, மேலே ஃபுல்லாக பச்சையாக தெரியும், அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ அதுதான் இந்த ஆல்கா வந்து இட்ஸ் rich in chlorophyll. They can see the thin film of surface of the lake and pond. So they are called the grass of water. Underline the word grass of water. They are autotrophic, and they what is meant by autotrophic? Underline the word autotrophic. Autotrophic means they can prepare the food material with the help of chlorophyll. Alga can, because it's having the rich chlorophyll, so they can prepare the food with the own. So this is called the autotrophic. What is meant by autotrophic means they manufacture their own food with the help of chlorophyll. Chloroplasts containing chlorophyll. Chlorophyll pigments for photosynthesis. The study of alga. Underline the word. The study of alga is called algology. Virology, bacteriology, mycology, and then we can study about the study of alga is called the algology or pycology. You also underline the word pycology. Then different type of alga: Chlamydomonas, Wallbox, and the Urothrix, Fixillida, Alba, and the Hydrodecandion. Different type of alga. The alga are different types. They are having the size is varies from 1 micron to 50 meter. 1 micron to 50 meter. Alga may be unicellular or microscopic. Some alga are, especially the Chlamydomonas, is the unicellular and microscopic, very minute in size. Multicellular is a macroscopic. Macroscopic is a sarcosm. Sarcosm is a multicellular and macroscopic. Unicellular alga are the exhibit a variety of shape: spherical shape, rod shape, and spinal shape. And then multicellular is in the form of filaments or branches. And the cell structure and the structure of Chlamydomonas. This is a 3-mark question or 2-mark question. Chlamydomonas is a simple and unicellular and the motile free water alga. They are the oval shape and spherical shape or pyriform in shape. The pyriform is common in one of the pond and ditch or water tank. They have the narrow anterior region and then posterior side is the broad one. Chlamydomonas, all of you see the figure, Chlamydomonas. And the top anterior side means முன்பக்கம் கூர்மையாகவும் பின்பக்கம் ராடாகவும் இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் also it's a very important question. Draw the structure of Chlamydomonas. It's a homework for you. Draw the structure of Chlamydomonas. All of you take the science note and draw the structure of Chlamydomonas. The anterior side is a pointed one, and then posterior is a broad shape, and then centrally it's having the nucleus. Around the nucleus it's having the green pigment, and then in the lower side of the nucleus is have the pyrenoid, and then other cell organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body, eye spot, vacuoles, mitochondria are all present in the around the nucleus, and then two flagella are arise from the vacuole near the eye spot. Then through the flagella they can move from one place to another. This is the structure of Chlamydia monas. So you take the science note and draw the structure of Chlamydia monas and write down the important points. Important points is having the important point is having the anterior side is a taper one, and the posterior side is a broad one, and then it's having the oval shape. Then they having the outermost layer is calling the cell membrane, and then the inner side is having the large chloroplast, and then in center is having the dark nucleus, and around the nucleus are the organelles like the chloroplast, pyrenoi, starch grain, Golgi body, eye spot, mitochondria. And then near the eye spot is having the one pair of flagella. With the help of flagella they can move from one place to another. They having the two contractile vacuoles are seen on the below the flagella. Having the two contractile means is the சுருங்கி விரியக்கூடிய vacuoles இருக்கும். இந்த flagellaக்கு கீழே இருக்கும். அடுத்தது இந்த anterior side of the chloroplast containing the tiny red color is called the eye spot. Chlamydia monas exhibit the sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. They can reproduce by sexually or asexually. Sexually means male and female are fused together to form the new one. Asexual means simply split out into two pieces. And then, so the important homework is the structure of Chlamydia monas, and write down the 4 or 5 points about the structure of Chlamydia monas. And then they having the pigments, sericostantine, xanthophyll, and the phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. These are the important pigments present in the alga. It gives the green color. That's all about the alga. Next one we are going to study about protozoa. Protozoa is the first unknown animal. It's a single cell eukaryote. They are included under the kingdom Progesta. Underline the word Progesta. The study of protozoa is called protozoology. Underline the word. The study of protozoa is called the protozoology. They are found in the pond, ocean, and the moist soil, and inside the cell and tissue of plants and animals, causing the diseases. Protozoa causes many diseases. They are found pond, ocean, moist soil. Moist soil is ஈர மண். அடுத்தது inside the cell and the tissue of plant. பிளான்ட்டோட டிஷ்யூவில் கூட இருக்கும். அடுத்த அனிமல்ஸோட டிஷ்யூலையும் இருக்கும். They causes diseases. The range, underline the range, 2 to 20 micron. Protozoans have the specialized organelles. They having the special organs for movement, feeding, and other functions. The type of protozoans are as follows. Ciliata. Ciliata means they having the small hair-like structure is called cilia. The cilia is used for locomotion. Example, paramecium. Next one, flagella, present of flagella like Chlamydia monas. They having the two flagella. Example, Euglena. Then pseudopoda, presence of pseudopodia for locomotion. Amoeba having the no flagella or cilia. Simply present the whole body is moved. So the pseudopodia. Next one is porozoan. So porozoan parasite is example Plasmodium. இது வந்து parasite அடுத்த லிவிங் ஆர்கானிசத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு டைப். அடுத்து these are the common protozoan. Today homework is the structure of Chlamydia monas, and then write down the note about 2 or 5 words about the Chlamydia monas. So now we are going to study alga and protozoa. write down the important points in the science note. This is very useful for the weekly test. Thank you, students.